Hello, this is Hans the Dutch guy with Much Dutch, and this time we will see how to pronounce in a regular Dutch accent the province of Overijssel. This is the way us Dutchies say Overijssel. Overijssel. There is a very slight emphasis on the third syllable. Overijssel. O-ver-IJ-ssel. All the letters will be pronounced. Overijssel. I live in the province of Overijssel. I hope this video was helpful. You can help us by liking it and by subscribing to our channel. And we have plenty of other content here, so be sure to check that out too. Tot ziens!